Hi everyone. Each semester I'd just like to do a really 30-second long introduction to how the website works here. So when you go to your Cobra page, you'll see something like this. Of course, the announcements might be different each week. This week you got my buddy Luigi there, just patiently waiting for class. Now, pretty much all the time, you're going to want to click content. That's up here in your upper left. When you click content, it's going to bring you to this page, and then you'll go to module or active rest or whatever it has to be by that week. So obviously for our first week, we go to module 1. When you click on module 1, you'll get something like this. And so what you'll see here is I'll have a brief explanation of what's going to happen that week, a little bit of a summary of all that, and a link to the assignment for that week, usually in there. And then for week 2 of that 2-week module, same thing. Here's all the explanation of what I'm asking you to do, and if there's a video or a lecture or something like that, it'll be right there as well. All right. And so, for example, just in this first module 1, I'm asking you to watch this quick lecture that I made. It's, I think, about 15 minutes long. And after you watch that, I want you to evaluate my hypothesis. By doing that, I want you to just click on this discussion assignment. They're usually blue. And it'll bring you to that week's assignment. It could be a Dropbox. Sometimes it's not always a discussion, but in this first week, it's a discussion. And you'll see here that I'm replicating the explanation I just gave you in a little more detail. And for you to answer, you just start a new thread, which I'm not going to click now because that'll mess up my whole thing. Okay, so you go to the home page. You always start from here. You go to content. Go to module by that week. Read what you're supposed to do for that week. And then click the assignment for that week. And then it brings you to it. And with a few exceptions, that's pretty much how it works every single week.